Notion AI Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products and related resources have been added in the description. After extensively testing Notion AI in real productivity and content workflows, it's clear this tool is not a standalone AI writer, but an integrated assistant built directly into the Notion workspace, designed to enhance how you write, organize, and manage information rather than replace full content creation platforms. Its main advantage is context. Because it works inside your notes, databases, and documents, it understands your workflow better than most external AI tools. Let's break down the features. Notion AI allows you to generate text, summarize notes, rewrite content, extract key points, and brainstorm ideas directly within your workspace. You can highlight any block of text and instantly ask the AI to simplify it, expand it, or change the tone. It's also very strong in summarization, especially for meeting notes, long documents, or research pages, turning complex information into concise, readable insights. Another powerful feature is its ability to work with structured data inside Notion databases, helping you generate content based on stored information, which is something most AI writing tools cannot do effectively. In practical use, Notion AI performs best as a productivity enhancer. It is extremely useful for daily workflows like writing notes, drafting documents, organizing ideas, and managing knowledge bases. For example, if you're running projects, documenting processes, or handling research, it can significantly reduce the time needed to clean up and structure your content. However, it's important to understand its limitations. It is not designed for advanced long-form content creation, deep storytelling, or high-level marketing copy. The outputs are generally clean and useful, but often require refinement if you're aiming for polished, publish-ready content. So who is Notion AI actually made for? This tool is clearly built for professionals, students, entrepreneurs, and teams who already use Notion as their main workspace. It is especially valuable for people managing large amounts of information, project managers, content planners, researchers, and knowledge workers. If you are deeply integrated into Notion, the AI feels like a natural extension of your workflow. But if you're looking for a standalone AI writing tool, it may feel limited compared to more specialized platforms. Another key strength is workflow efficiency. Because everything happens inside one environment, you don't need to switch between tools or copy content back and forth. This makes it highly practical for real-world use, even if the AI itself is not the most advanced in terms of creativity. Overall, Notion AI is best understood as a smart productivity assistant rather than a full AI writing solution. It excels at organizing, summarizing, and improving content within your workspace. If your goal is to streamline your workflow and manage information more efficiently, it delivers strong value. But if you expect it to replace dedicated AI writing tools, it's important to adjust your expectations.